Hello guys, it's like 4 a.m. in the morning. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. As you can see, I just showered, my hair's still wet, but I'm planning on bringing my GoPro. So as you can see, it's pretty dark here. This is my GoPro, my camera's here. This is GoPro Hero 6. I'm probably gonna bring this onto the trip, and this camera right now that I'm holding, which is a Canon EOS M50. Yes, hope you enjoy. Hi Alfred, how do you feel about this?
Stop!
About 5 o'clock in the morning? Are you liking it?
It's good. You start playing.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
So we're on the bus. Yes. We're here. This is YangShuo. Let's go.
This isn't YangShuo, this is just GuiLin.
I don't even know where we are, so.
Oh yes.
She just told us that we're cooking tonight. Yes, we're now ready for lunch. Dude, the lunch is probably gonna be so bad. We'll see. Still wear these gloves
Later.
So what are we gonna do?
I don't know. So our task today is to make this island a more sustainable utopia place,
Which is cool. We're gonna make stuff using bamboos. Nice. Yo, let's get bamboo. Dude, this is actually heavy. Are you my ultimate cameraman? Are we making what? A stool?
Yeah. Dude, what a scam. What's this for? Whoa. Oh. Oh. So hello guys, we managed to make a nice stool. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how this works. Lean back. You have to get those balance just right, like this. Get those perfect balance to be able to sit on this chair. No, just kidding. Apparently you're sitting on this round pan. So actually the stool looks like this. What do you think, Alfred?
It's a good stool. It doesn't collapse.
It's very eco-friendly, right? Let's try the heavier weight on the stool. Oh, it's pretty stable.
Now we need to get Titus.
Look at that. There's a cow. More cows.
How do you try?
Stop! Yes!
How much more? No, we need.
Dude, the chicken actually tastes not that bad. Although it might look like poop, but it's
actually very good.
yeah, it's actually very good. Okay, hi.
Hi. Wait, you have to move. You have to put it on your nose, so it seems like
Here.
yeah.
Up.
Up.
Yeah, and then
Am I that short? 好吃吧？
好吃。
I have a secret. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sky and Jason know about it, but now everyone that watches this vlog will know about it. Yay!
Look at this. It's fine. I'm chill.
Oh my god, Joe!
Okay, so we basically finished cooking. The food was okay, and then now we're on the bus on our way to the hotel. There's like a storm and everything's flooded. Oh my god, my luggage, it's like flooded. Okay, great. Guys, let's go. Okay. Well, the GoPro survived the rain. Now we're at the hotel. Great.
We're back into our hotel room. Now, look how we were trying to make. Basically, the food we cooked was so trash. We just bought this.
So we already have our rice in this middle layer.
Now we're gonna open this heating bag to heat. Right here. Okay, we got it. Put this on top. Now we wait for 12 minutes.
No,
Wait, not
it's calculated.
I know. Start timer. Okay.
Dude, it's done.
Okay, now the food is done. Okay, hello guys, we're back online. So now we're going to try the food. Close-up shot. So, what do you guys think? Let's try. Tiny bit spicy. Down here. You just bit my cheek. Okay, let's end the vlog for today. We'll see you in day 2.
Yo, Jed. You wanna start today's vlog? Yeah. Okay, so yo, what's up, guys? This is day 2 on our trip. Yeah, we just climbed up Moon Hill. This is the Moon Hill. See you later.
My Nathan.
Yo,
Yo, we ready? Okay.
and I literally don't have a house.
Hello guys, now we're going into, what's this cave called?
I don't know, it's a cave. Moon Mountain Cave.
Moon Mountain Cave. Okay, let's go. You ready?
Okay, we on that boat. We on that boat.
We made it. Okay, hello guys. This is day 3. Was it day 3? And we're doing rock climbing. It's already in the afternoon, so we're starting the vlog pretty late today. No. Okay, we're going to the cliffs. Haha.
Hey, this is real tall.
Hello guys, we just finished rock climbing. That was tough, right? What do you think, Alfred?
I think I did quite good for my first time rock climbing.
I almost died on the first one, but second one was fun. We're like exhausted. Now we're going back to the bus. See you later. Okay, hey guys, we just finished dinner. So basically we're at West Street today. Now they're buying shoes.
Let's see if they make sizes.
Yes, look at this.
So cool.
Okay, bye.
Final thoughts. We're gonna end the vlog for
Final
today.
thoughts, we're gonna go ahead. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just kidding, go. Okay, let's do some interviews. Shabor, how was your day?
It was great.
Hey, subscribe and hit that like. I mean, smash it.
Hello, we're at day 4 now. So yeah, this is Lauren. Today what do we
Going rafting.
Okay, now we're gonna learn how to cook from this master chef. We finished our egg dumplings, so now I'm gonna test it. This one looks cute. It's good. Oh, I'm so hungry. Yeah, it tastes super nice. Okay, let's try our noodles. Oh, this is actually so good. Okay, so basically we built this raft and then we're now going to cross the river and fall in it. That's the river. Okay, team, are we ready? Yes, sir! Okay. Okay guys, we're ready to go in. What are you doing? Come on girl, let's go! Oh my god.
party.
What's it called? I wanna know. I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green, or pink, or black, or white. I could be every color you like. I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green, or pink, or black, or white. I could be every color you like.
Yo, what's up guys? We're now on the train. It's our last day. We've been on this train for like 10 hours. Not yet. Not yet. Almost, yeah, 8 hours already. And we're gonna be back in Beijing in 3 hours. So we're gonna end the vlog for this trip right now. So please remember to hit the subscribe button and smash like. And also hit the bell. Yes, see y'all.
Smash that unlike button and the unsubscribe button and subscribe to my fucking face.